Here we go on descent into Marsa Line. Overland again now, so we're probably looking about 3,000, 4,000 feet. So not that bad. One back with the headwinds.
Well done, Lucy.
The only advantage is at Gatwick, they're still landing on 08 right. It's a shorter taxi into North. If they're they're landing from the far, like coming in from the far lanes to. It's a shorter taxi, so that's the only real advantage. Try reach. Getting a lot darker. Yep. Oh, here we go. Spoilers. Today. Clocks change. Sometime soon. Sometime soon. There we go, spoilers. Slowing right down now. When the spoilers just went down, just said this drag just suddenly gained lift. go, we're just about to fly over the result now. We're just flying over the result now. You won't be able to see it. There we go. Yeah, that is. Yeah, and then we're that one there, the U-shaped one. So we're going in, and we're gonna. So we're going. Currently going over the airport, and then we're gonna turn. No, no. Flaps are going down. Landing gear deployed. We're in short finals.
Can't see that there. Can't see it there. Don't worry about it.
Here we go. Small. You can feel the drag just suddenly kick in again once the landing gear is down. Slowed right down now. Look at that other side of the road. You might be able to see the airport. Here we go, full flat. Probably about 160 knots now. Full flat is deployed. So we're on about 2 mile final, maybe a bit less. Here we go, more power being through. Because what you do is on the approach, the main thing about the approach is you don't necessarily pull the aileron, you don't necessarily use the aileron to the back as much. You use the thrust to bring the nose up and down. But once you've deployed the flaps, you're actually sending the thrust downwards. Here we go. About 155 knots. It's about 160 odd mile per hour when you take that into flare speed will probably be around 145 knots. Yeah. Mum. Yeah, I've done it. I've done mine as well. No cellular data is on there. This has got to be one of the shortest final approaches I've ever done. Yeah. Wow, that's impressive. We did a similar style approach as what we've just done. Here we go, in the airport boundary. $100, 50, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Here we go. We're on the ground. Spoilers deployed and reverse thrust. Cool, thank you. Thank you. And spoilers down. Oh no, thank you. Don't need any of that. Brakes are released, and put on again, and we're going to backtrack.
Ladies and gentlemen,
flaps are coming up again.
welcome to Egypt, where the outside temperature is approximately 28 degrees. Whilst you taxi to our parking area, please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. Only then is it safe for you to leave your seat. When collecting personal belongings, please make sure you've got everything with you, especially from the seat pocket in front of you. Any items left on the aircraft will be handed over to our agents here. Please be careful when retrieving your hand luggage from the other compartments, as it may have moved during the flight. If you have checked in a child's buggy, you'll be able to collect this with your luggage in the arrivals hall. If you've requested assistance, please remain seated until the majority of other customers have disembarked, and the crew will be happy to assist you. If you're travelling with First Choice 20s, Sky Tours, Just or Simply Travel, look out for the Thomson Airport team. They'll direct you towards the next stage of your journey. And if you booked a transfer with us but have since decided to make your own way to the hotel, please let someone in the team know so we can avoid any unnecessary delays. We're moving with the times, and you've told us you'd like to be able to choose when you want to speak to us and how you do it. So when it comes to contacting us during your holiday, you can give us a call, drop us a text or send us an email. In fact, if you want to send us a message and ask us to call you back in your hotel room, we'll be happy to do that as well. Getting in touch with us has never been easier, and it goes without saying. Our flexible service is available around the clock. Holidays aren't 9 to 5 and neither are we. Look out for the 24/7 holiday line. Details in your arrivals information. Because of airport regulations, the Thomson team aren't allowed inside the arrivals hall, so they'll be waiting for you just outside the main building. While you're in the airport, our local agent, Travco, are on hand to help you. They're easy to spot. They'll be wearing white shirts and red ties. If you've got an Egyptian visa, please make your way to the Thomson immigration desk to collect your arrival visa stamp. You can pay for your visa in sterling or Egyptian pounds. On behalf of the captain, the crew and all of us here at Thomson Airways, it's been a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to welcoming you back soon. Have a great time here in Egypt.